With a name and a face, the man, the woman, the child in the light, the boy, the girl, they play in the garden, their father and mother watch them, full of mystery and simple stuff. This is the house, the dwelling, the home, with rooms and doors where stories are. Smells, the bathroom flows, yeah. The friend and the friend, my whole family. The son, the daughter, in an endless series. The brother, the sister, the grandma, the grandpa, and the baby who sleeps without any oops. But this is a house, the dwelling, the home, with rooms and doors where stories are. The living room laughs, the bedroom dreams, the kitchen smells, the bathroom floors. Step. Every wall here's a secret. Every staircase leads upwards. The toilet is quiet when all worries are believed. On the balcony stands a chair. In the living room stands a couch for a while. Around the table, the most important piece of furniture of all. Sit the colleagues, friends, who translate stories. And every piece of furniture has a place. Every window a garden. Every door can open or close with a fan. This is the place where we eat, sleep, live. This is the place where we give and forgive. Protect people, and so this song ends where it began.